that bitch clean. I thought there was some forges. Hell yeah, that motherfucker right. Size of bitch, them bitch clean. Oh God, that bitch sitting up tall. What it do, YouTube? Hey, I got that Cutlass, man, coming soon this weekend. Dude just called me and told me, man, I can pick it up. Hopefully it's Saturday. I don't be like doing a lot of talking, and all my videos be the same damn car, like Cutlass, and it still ain't even painted yet. So what I want to do, I want to go on and get that shit did, you know what I'm saying? When it come out in the car, bro, old school, I don't play. I'll spend a bread, you know what I'm saying? I'll spend what I gotta spend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, man. If y'all new, subscribe with me, because I've noticed I've got a lot of subscribers. So if y'all new, subscribing to my channel, I'm gonna have a lot of shit in stores, you know what I'm saying? A lot of old schools, and showing y'all my rims, paint, my other boys, what they got, and everything. So if y'all got any questions, y'all can comment, you know, let me know what y'all think. Like I said, I'm working on these old school, these box Chevys, man. I'm painting these rims and doing all types of stuff. Y'all let me know, man, what y'all prefer, what y'all think will go hard. Because at the end of the day, we all trying to help each other out. So just washed her up a little bit. Got that AC blowing.